Today we learn how to read barcodes from images in C# using IronBarcode. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about reading QR codes from images using IronBarcode. I've already installed IronBarcode using the NuGet package manager. So we're going to go ahead and just jump on into the program CS file and check out the code that we're working with. So the first line here using IronBarcode is the namespace declaration. Then we read the barcode from an image at the specified path. The barcode reader.read method takes in a string argument that represents the path of the image file that we want to read. Next up, we have a for each loop. This loop iterates over each barcode in my barcode. In this case, we only have one barcode in our image, but the same code would work for multiple barcodes as well. And this loop prints the value of each barcode to the console. So let's go ahead and run the project now and see the output. All right, so as you can see, the console displays a string representation of our barcode, which depending on the barcode could be a series of numbers, letters, or probably a combination of both. And QR code, which we can scan in our code. So this shows that our code is successfully reading the barcode from the image. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if we've piqued your curiosity and you want to check out the software yourself, we have a trial subscription that you can sign up for with the link in the description down below.